At the southernmost tip of Africa, a land of remarkable beauty and diversity unfolds. This is South Africa, where the vast Atlantic and Indian Oceans converge. It's a place of ancient origins, believed to be the birthplace of Homo sapiens. Amidst stunning landscapes and diverse ecosystems, our journey as a species began. Its remoteness has fostered unique flora and fauna. South Africa offers a glimpse into the wonders of the natural world. South Africa is a land of striking contrasts, where arid deserts meet lush forests and towering mountains give way to rolling plains. From the snow-capped peaks of the Drakensberg Mountains to the sun-kissed beaches of the Cape Peninsula, South Africa offers a breathtaking array of scenery. This rich biodiversity is a testament to South Africa's unique geographical and climatic conditions. South Africa's climate is a fascinating study in contrasts, a microcosm of diverse weather patterns rarely seen within a single nation. The country's position at the southern tip of Africa, where the Atlantic and Indian Oceans meet, plays a significant role in shaping its climatic diversity. From arid deserts to subtropical regions, South Africa experiences a spectrum of climates that mirror those found across entire continents. South Africa boasts an astounding 13 distinct Köppen climate zones. This variety is a testament to the country's unique geographical location and environmental factors. South Africa's floral diversity is extraordinary. The Cape Floral Kingdom is a region of exceptional botanical richness. It boasts an astonishing diversity of plant species, many found nowhere else. This unique flora is a testament to the region's geological history and climate. Characterized by a Mediterranean-type climate, it supports a remarkable array of plant life. From fynbos shrubland to towering forests, the diversity is breathtaking. Numerous endemic species enhance this richness. The fynbos biome is a remarkable example of plant adaptation and diversity. Home to proteas, ericas, and restios, these plants play vital ecosystem roles. Conservation is crucial to protect this irreplaceable botanical treasure trove. South Africa's faunal diversity is as impressive as its flora. It's one of the world's 17 megadiverse countries. These countries harbor a high number of the world's species. South Africa's unique habitats support remarkable animal life, from arid deserts to lush forests and coastal regions. The country's national parks play a crucial role in conservation. Kruger National Park is home to incredible diversity. Visitors can witness the Big Five in their natural habitat. These parks also provide opportunities for research and ecotourism, contributing to the sustainable development of local communities. South Africa's faunal diversity faces numerous threats. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect this rich natural heritage. The country's commitment to biodiversity conservation is essential for preserving its unique fauna and supporting local communities. South Africa's coastal plains are a dynamic interface between land and sea. Shaped by the cold Benguela and warm Agulhas currents, these plains exhibit remarkable diversity. From sandy beaches to estuaries, the coastal plains support diverse habitats. This environment showcases the interplay of geological forces and ocean currents. The western plains, influenced by the Benguela current, have a cool, dry climate. This current brings nutrients, fueling phytoplankton growth. Phytoplankton supports a thriving ecosystem of fish, seabirds, seals, and whales. The landscape is rugged and windswept with cliffs and rocky outcrops. The eastern plains, influenced by the Agulhas current, have a warm, humid climate. This climate supports lush, subtropical vegetation and diverse coastal forests. Sandy beaches and estuaries provide breeding grounds for marine life. Warm waters attract sea turtles, dolphins, and reef fish. The meeting of currents at Africa's southern tip creates intense oceanographic activity. This mixing supports high biodiversity. The convergence zone is critical for marine migrations, including whales and sharks. These coastal plains are a vital part of South Africa's natural heritage. The Benguela current, a cold, northward-flowing ocean current, shapes the region's climate and ecosystems. It brings cold, nutrient-rich waters, creating a productive marine environment. This results in a biological hotspot, teeming with life. Schools of fish thrive, attracting larger predators like seals, sharks, and whales. The cold waters also influence the climate of adjacent coastal regions. The Agulhas current, a warm, southward-flowing current, contrasts with the cold Benguela current of the west coast. Originating in the Indian Ocean, it brings warm waters and a humid climate. This current supports lush coastal forests, mangrove swamps, and coral reefs. Diverse habitats provide shelter for marine life, including reef fish, turtles, dolphins, and sharks. South Africa's coastal plains, a dynamic environment between mountains and ocean. Shaped by wind, waves, and tides, they balance terrestrial and marine ecosystems. This transition zone supports a remarkable diversity of life. From sandy beaches to wetlands, each landscape has its own character. The width varies, influenced by geological factors. Erosion and sediment deposition shape these plains. In some areas, mountains rise steeply from the sea. In others, the land slopes gently towards the ocean. This varied topography contributes to habitat diversity. Coastal plains are vital for both nature and human populations. The Cape Fold Belt, a dramatic series of parallel mountain ranges, defines the southwestern coast of South Africa. Formed millions of years ago, these mountains shape the region's climate and ecosystems. Composed of sandstone and shale, the Cape Fold Belt is a geological marvel. The mountains rise steeply from the coastal plains, creating a dramatic contrast. The highest peaks offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The Cape Fold Belt influences the region's climate, creating microclimates. The Fynbos biome showcases a remarkable diversity of plant species. South Africa's coastline is beautiful, but presents unique challenges for rivers and harbors. The steep, rocky coast has few natural harbors. Artificial harbors are essential for shipping and trade. These constructions impact coastal currents and marine ecosystems. Despite challenges, coastal regions thrive economically. The Great Escarpment, a dramatic geological formation, stretches for thousands of kilometers along southern Africa's eastern edge. It separates the elevated interior plateau from the lower coastal plains, shaping the region's climate and biodiversity. A testament to powerful geological forces over millions of years, influencing human settlement patterns and inspiring awe. The escarpment varies in height from gentle slopes to sheer cliffs. Rivers create dramatic canyons and gorges. In some areas, it forms a continuous wall of rock, reflecting a complex geological history, a haven for unique plant and animal life. The escarpment shapes the region's climate, creating a rain shadow effect, resulting in drier conditions on the leeward side. Responsible for the aridity of the Karoo region, influences temperature patterns with cooler elevations, plays a crucial role in drainage patterns. Rivers create dramatic waterfalls and canyons, vital freshwater source for human populations and ecosystems. A defining feature of southern Africa, shaping climate, biodiversity, and human history. A reminder of the powerful forces that have shaped our planet. The Great Escarpment's formation spans millions of years, showcasing powerful geological processes. It began with the breakup of Gondwana, the ancient supercontinent. Uplift and erosion sculpted the escarpment's dramatic landscapes. Wind, water, and ice continue to shape this dynamic feature. The Drakensberg Mountains, a majestic range in southern Africa, are a breathtaking spectacle of nature's grandeur. Rising to over 3,400 meters, these peaks, often shrouded in mist, dominate the landscape. Their dramatic beauty attracts hikers, climbers, and nature enthusiasts. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Drakensberg Mountains are recognized for their natural beauty and cultural significance. Beyond the towering ramparts of the Great Escarpment lies the vast expanse of the South African Interior Plateau, a land of rolling plains, scattered hills, and ancient geological formations. This expansive plateau, covering a significant portion of the country's landmass, is a region of diverse landscapes and ecosystems, shaped by the interplay of climate, geology, and human activity. From the grasslands of the Highveld to the arid plains of the Karoo, the interior plateau offers a fascinating glimpse into the heart of South Africa. The Highveld, a vast grassland plateau, is the heart of South Africa. Home to Johannesburg and Pretoria, it drives the economy and culture. Fertile soils and strategic location foster development. Warm summers, cool winters, and low rainfall define its climate. Diverse ecosystems support antelope, zebras, and birds of prey. The Karoo, a vast semi-desert region in South Africa, is a land of stark beauty and hidden resources. This arid landscape, with its sparse vegetation and dramatic mountain ranges, supports unique plant and animal life. Beneath its surface, the Karoo holds valuable mineral resources, including shale gas. Fracking for shale gas is controversial, with concerns about environmental impacts. South Africa, a land forged by geological forces, climatic extremes, and evolutionary marvels. From the Drakensberg Mountains to the Cape Floral Kingdom, the landscapes are a symphony of contrasts. The convergence of the Atlantic and Indian Oceans creates a dynamic coastal realm teeming with life. The Great Escarpment stands as a witness to the forces of uplift and erosion. This feature defines the topography and influences climate, creating diverse habitats. From the Karoo to the Highveld, South Africa's interior showcases a spectrum of landscapes. The rich biodiversity is a treasure trove of unique and endemic species. The Cape Floral Kingdom boasts an astonishing array of plant life. National parks provide refuge for a wealth of animal species, including the Big Five. This biodiversity is a global asset, underscoring the importance of conservation efforts. South Africa's geography has shaped its natural environment and human history. The diverse landscapes have shaped patterns of migration, resource utilization, and economic activity. From ancient rock art to modern cities, the human story is intertwined with the land. South Africa's geography shapes its future, offering opportunities for economic development and sustainable growth. Rich natural resources must be managed wisely to avoid environmental degradation and social inequality. Innovative solutions are needed to mitigate climate change impacts. South Africa's strategic location facilitates global trade and cultural exchange. Infrastructure supports economic growth and tourism. The diverse population is a source of strength and potential tension. Addressing poverty, inequality, and unemployment is crucial for an inclusive society. Geography plays a key role in South Africa's future.